Good morning, guys. Marlon here, Southwest for the Southwest. Today we're gonna do a gutter cleaning. This residence here in Naples. Gutter cleaning is right. Good thing is this: the gutters are in the front and the back. There's no side. See, look at this gutter here. Well, it's very dirty, and I see some pine needles and pine tree inside the gutters. Should be there. Let's see, and look on the inside the gutter. Yep, you can see it's very full. Take a picture right now. Show it to the homeowner. See that? Yep, this is the front gutter. So and they have metal roof, but yep, it needs cleaning too, soft washing. Ask them if they were interested in the future. Yep. So alright, guys, see you a bit. I make this gutter looks great. Guys, have a great day.